What's up, guys? My name's Ian Smith, and I'm here today with this new drum kit that I got generously given to me for Christmas by Reagan Holla. Can you believe it?
Ian!
What?
What are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing? I'm here playing with my new Christmas present.
What, the drum kit?
Yes!
That's my drum kit.
No. You see, you gave this to me for Christmas. Remember?
No. I gave you the China, not the whole drum kit.
What?
Yes!
Are you kidding me?
Dude, that's a $4,000 drum kit.
I know, and you gave it to me as a
No, I didn't. I said you could have the China. One day, maybe the drum kit if I get another.
Oh.
Sorry, guys. Just, you know how the guitar players can be. Everything's theirs. So, alright. He wasn't lying. The ZHTs, I got them today. Came in the mail today. Got home from school and they were waiting for me. So, by the way, that was Ian Smith. He plays guitar in my band. I'm teaching him a little drums, so that's how he's ever do the holiday thing. You know, that's my people. My Padawan. Star Wars reference. Y'all should like this video and comment on it for a Star Wars reference. Anyway, so I got the Zildjian ZHT lines today. They impressed me so much for the cost. I mean, you know, I started off with saving AAXs and saving AAs. I was lucky. They came with the drum kit. And, you know, one of the main things is that I know how much those cymbals are worth. I mean, for a pack of AAXs, what is it, $700 to $800? I mean, cymbals are ridiculous nowadays. But I got these for $400, and that included a hat and a cymbal bag, a survival kit, and a cleaning cloth for them. And, I mean, I just can't express how blown away I am by these things. So, I guess I'll give you two of the cymbals. So right here I have the ZHT 17-inch Fast Crash. Right here I have the ZHT 16-inch China. Right here I have the ZHT 14-inch Master Sound hi-hats, which are the biggest thing in this kit that really impresses me. And then the ZHT 20-inch medium ride. These are the 390 series, which is the newer series of ZHT lines. And I would like to remind everybody that there is no overhead mics, no drum mics. This is all being filmed on my phone's camera, so this is how the cymbals sound in person. So I guess we'll go right ahead and get into the demo. I use the force to stop that. You'll see that. So that's the 17-inch crash. Let's get into the 16-inch China. Now, any drummers that watch my channel, you'll know finding a good China is a really hard thing to do. And this is not actually bad China. It's better than one I had. So that's that. All right, let's get into the biggest thing that impressed me about this kit, which is the 14-inch Master Sound hi-hats. So that's that. As you can tell, they are incredibly crisp, and I love them so much. Like honestly, if I could pick between these, I know this is gonna sound crazy, or a custom hi-hats, I'm pretty sure I'd pick these, because these things, I mean, for some reason, I love them so much. And I played a custom hi-hats. So now we're gonna get to the 20-inch ride. All right. just going to solo a little bit to congratulate the new symbols into my life. So. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.